shell earrings. For this you will need hoop earrings and some shells which you will easily get in the market, and a golden wire. First you have to attach the wire to the hoop. Just wrap the wire tightly around it 2-3 times, and this is what it will look like. Now take a shell and put it from the other end of the wire. It has one hole, as you can see. Remove the wire like this. And place it over the hoop, and then you will just tighten the wire, wrap around the hoop 2-3 times, and repeat the process over and over again till you reach the end of the hoop. Just wrapping the wire tighter is the key. Here you can see I made both the hoops. And here are the results. And DIY pearl earrings. You just need the hoops and some pearls. Take the pearls and put into the hoops like this. This is really easy. You can choose whichever pearl size you want, and it will make your simple hoop earring a pearl earring like this. And if you have a smaller hoop earring, you can also put one pearl in it, whichever size that you want. This is super easy but looks so elegant. Also, you can remove this pearl whenever you want and use it as a simple hoop earring. And here are the results.